Hey guys, if you're often seeing the widgets in your lock screen, in your Windows 11 lock screen at the bottom side, and also at the top right, you see some Bing image search like that widget also. Well, in this video, I'm going to share you how to remove all these widgets from your lock screen. It actually disallowed further using the internet usage on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Firstly, in your Windows 11 PC, just right click Start menu and click on Settings. Here click on personalization. Now click on lock screen. Now in the lock screen page, here is the option lock screen status. By default, it's set it to the weather and more. Just click on this drop down menu and click on none option. And also here is the one more option, get fun facts, tips, tricks and more on your lock screen. By default, it's check marked. Just uncheck this option. Once you've done these two settings and that's it. Now in your Windows 11 lock screen, you not see any widgets or any type of promotional activities. So this will greatly help save your mobile data or internet on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Well, hopefully if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.